The following troubleshooting steps will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. If your machine is releasing slower than expected and strapping too tightly, the round belt may need to be replaced. Open the right side door of the machine, feed your strap through, and try banding a box. Note the position of the LS2 arm. It should move when the strap is fully tight. If it does not, the round belt is stretched out and needs to be replaced. To replace the belt, remove the 4mm bolt holding the tension gauge in place, then slide the gauge off to the side. Cut and remove the old belt. To install the new belt, stick one side of strap in the grommet by the tension knob. Place the belt through the strapping and align it with the tension knob. Take the loose end of the strap and feed that through the top end of the grommet. Slowly work the belt through the grommet. Once you get the belt through the grommet, hook it onto the pulleys and reinstall the tension gauge. Your belt replacement is now complete and your machine should be working properly. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.